Hello guys, I hope you are doing well today. My name is Samir Rahman and I will be your facilitator for this course. In my previous video, I have discussed about the advantages of using Bitcoin. So now today we will discuss about the disadvantages of using Bitcoin. Let's begin. While Bitcoin has gained popularity and has various advantages, it also comes with several disadvantages. Here are some of the drawbacks associated with using Bitcoin. The first one is volatility. Bitcoin is known for its extreme price volatility. Its value can fluctuate significantly within a short period, which has make it risky for investors and merchants. The price volatility make it challenging to use Bitcoin as a stable store of value or as a reliable medium of exchange. The second point is limited acceptance. Although Bitcoin has gained wider acceptance over the years, it is still not universally accepted as a form of payment. Many merchants and businesses do, do not yet accept Bitcoin, which limits its usefulness as a mainstream currency. The third one is scalability issues. Bitcoin face scalability issues or challenges in terms of transaction processing speed and scalability. The Bitcoin network has a limited capacity to handle transaction, which can result in delays and increased transaction fees during peak usage period. The third one is energy consumption. Bitcoin mining, the process by which new bitcoins are created and transactions are verified, requires substantial computational power. As a result, Bitcoin mining consumes a significant amount of energy, contributing to environmental concerns. The next one is lack of regulation and security issue. Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network, which means there is no central authority governing it. While this accepting provides privacy and security benefit, it also creates opportunity for illicit activities such as money laundering and fraud. Additionally, the lack of regulation make it difficult for users to seek legal recourse in case of theft or loss. The sixth point is irreversible transaction. Bitcoin transactions are typically irreversible, meaning that once a transaction is confirmed, it cannot be reversed. It is simple. Hope you cleared this. This characteristic makes Bitcoin vulnerable to scam or fraudulent transaction as there is no recourse for recovering frauds once they have been sent. The the last one is complexity. Bitcoin and blockchain technology can be complex for the average user to understand and use. The process of setting up wallets, managing private key, and ensuring security can be intimidating for individuals who are not familiar with the underlying technology. Let's conclude. It's important to note that while Bitcoin has its disadvantages, it also has unique advantages such as decentralized, low transaction fees in certain cases, and the potential for financial inclusivity. Ultimately, whether these drawbacks outweigh the benefit depends on individual circumstances and perspectives. Thank you. Have a great day. S- Stay connected